That's it, guys. Here's my salmon, tomatoes, rocket, cucumber, roast potatoes, roast salmon, and of course, that's what I said. I'm going to eat. Let's eat, guys. This is you know what? I can tell British food. Is it British food, honey? I like rocket salad. I like the rocket salad because what's wrong with the potatoes? It's not oily.
We haven't got a lot of oil on.
Dry, no? In the salmon. Did you put salt in the salmon?
No?
More on salad. It's better. I put mustard in it. For a change. You put mustard yours.
Can you,
We can get salmon in there.
can you get rocket? No.
But if you have a seeds,
Yeah?
you can plant we can easily bring back the coffee machine. If we want to. Isn't it? We don't bring anything back here. I don't buy anything a lot. No?
No.
So good, guys, to eat salmon. A big piece of salmon.
It's nice, huh? That's lovely. Pardon me.
What drink you gonna have?
Coffee in a minute. I need my energy.
Do I have pork pie? No.
We didn't buy any pot pies today, did we? But you bought pot pies the other day. Did you eat them?
No. Today.
I didn't buy pot pie today, I think.
It's okay. I like the pork pie of Sainsbury anyway.
Yeah.
But so dear. The cheapest one is £2.50. She said, I look at very expensive here. I said, yeah. Sainsbury is very expensive, according to. Not really. Look at the rice. £6. $5.99. It depends now. But the white rice, it's that white. It's also 52 from the
From Sainsbury.
more beautiful than Aldi. Lidl.
How long is your training supposed to be on custard?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
What do you think? I'll be in or out?
I think you'll be in.
Out.
You think out?
Yeah.
Why?
I just don't want to convince myself to be.
I think they
But
like you. I think they like you. I think that goes a long way as to